Bye. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Law's Kitchen. I have a special guest, Dominic here, and you look gorgeous today.
Thank you. My hairstylist came out of quarantine.
Yes. So I do her hair, so everybody look pretty now, okay? And so happy to go back to work again, and I'm so happy that I hit 1,000.
1,000.
Yes. I'm so happy, and I would like to thank everybody that support and follow me, and just keep following me, guys. I'm gonna try to bring the best video for you guys all the time, right? And then when we bring the good video for you guys, we get to eat good too, right? And you too.
Win-win.
Okay, yay! Anyway, so I'm gonna have Dominic here tell you a little bit. I know love food, we cook a lot with the pa-dek and you know all kinds of stuff, right? I put almost with every dish. And you say, well, my pa-dek is a little different from the one that from the bottle or from the jar, you know. The difference is I cook them. You know what I mean? You want to take a look a little bit, see what you think?
Sure, I see a very beautiful color in this. And the consistency is also really good and nice and thick and rich. A lot of flavor. Staple in many Laos dishes.
Yes, and we be able to go ahead and put in the salad right away because it's already cooked, okay? And let's go ahead and start. Guy cook with us, okay? And she's gonna tell you what we have there.
All right, so we have the pork patty roll. We have meatball. We also have baby octopus. We have shrimp, squid.
And what we have here, yes, it's my favorite stuff. We have a dry pepper, garlic, fresh pepper, and this is sugar from plum sugar. I melt them, and this is the tamarind that I put hot water and just kind of like melt it, and that's of course my pa-dek, right? Okay, and long bean, cherry tomato, green papaya. You have to use a green papaya, okay? And also use the lime because the lime gives more flavor. And I go ahead and use the cucumber. I love cucumber, and I love that kind of corn too. It's really good. Instead of eat rice tonight, we're gonna eat like salad. So that's substitute to my rice for tonight, okay? Yeah. Y'all ready to cook? I know it's a lot of work, and we're gonna make it happen, okay? It's gonna be fun, and we're gonna have a good dinner, huh? Yay! Okay, let's start.หลังจากเขาปอกครึ่งหนึ่งแล้วเนาะแล้วเขาก็ชอบโอเคชอบพับพายาโอเคไกด์
Koi fuck mahon.
'See, I got everything all cut off. you know, everything, so it's ready. And I'm gonna go ahead ready, and I'm gonna start with the pepper and garlic first. And I'm so hot right now. Do you mind to give me ice water, please?
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so Dominic, do you like it hot or not too hot?
Not too hot tonight.
Not too hot? Okay, that will be fine. She don't like it hot. เพิ่นสั่งมาว่าบ่ให้เอาเผ็ดปานใดว่าซั่นก็เลยจัดให้ I use a shrimp paste. You know, it's your own flavor, okay? Because when you make papaya salad, it depends on how you like, okay? So if you like it a lot, you put a lot. If you don't like it, you don't have to put. Just put whatever make you happy.
What's that one?
This one is the crab paste, okay? Just a little bit. And then ใส่น้ำปลา This one is pretty sweet, you know. It's very sweet. This is tamarind. You know, I like how it's thick texture because I love to eat just by itself. So some people make it like, you know, kind of like juice, but I make like paste, okay? Sugar, I'm melting. Look like syrup. แม่นแล้วของแท้อันนี้มันประแดกจีจีเนาะแซ่บหลายแซ่บหลายใส่เข้าไป2 จองที่3ก็จะเป็นจังได๋อิ่มแซ่บตัวนี้นะ Okay.
And you already have a video on the pa-dek sauce, right?
Yes, I do. Yeah, can you carry it? Let's move pa-dek.
So many pretty colors.
Smell good.
So with papaya salad, or there's all different types of salads. Some
But this one is like a seafood salad, you know. Some seafood. Combination. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Now we go ahead and follow with seafood.
papaya salad of my dreams.
That smells the pepper. Put the corn in. Yeah, to this point you don't have to tang no more because you're gonna mush your meat, you know. right. That looks so good, and I already tasted. It's very good. I'll be happy with this. Yeah. Okay, you ready, Dominic? Here we go. How are we gonna finish all these 2 people tonight? It's gonna last us like a week.
Or a couple hours, I don't know.
I don't know, it's so good. I'm not gonna stop. I'd eat all of them. All right, look at that. ตายพวกเจ้าเบิ่งดูเป็นตาแซ่บนะ
Gigi, you're so Texan with your oversize.
Oh yes. Guy, let me tell you something. Dominic is so true. Every time people talk about Texas, they say Texas, everything in Texas, we go big, right?
Go big or go home.
If you don't believe, that's right. If you don't believe, look at this place. เงินแซ่บหลายเด้อ Wow, look at that. Are you ready to
I
eat?
am so ready.
Okay, so your request is not too hot.
Not too hot? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
But I treat you toast with the coconut juice. Yes.
Thank you.
For our 1000K.
Yes.
And also future video, many more to come.
To
Guys.
Gigi's Lost Kitchen.
And thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Okay. And I also get the Sprite crispy pork.
By Chef Christina.
Chef Christina is my daughter. You guys see her on the video all the time. When I do this, she say, "Okay, let me do this pork belly for you really fast, Mom." So, that looks so good. Oh, I don't even know which one I'm gonna pick. They all look yummy. Go. Oh, hot.
I'm so lucky. She got her cooking from you. She tastes the recipe and she runs with it.
Yeah. I tell you, everybody can cook, okay? Chicken น้ำข้าวปุ้นน้ำไปละNot hot. It's really good.
Like that pepper that one time?
I told her the pepper, the green one, it tastes just like long bean. But don't get confused. I have long bean and pepper in here too, okay?
I've never had papaya salad before, and I've seen this the seafood one. I was asking you about it for a while because I saw it on all the Lao food groups and on Facebook. It does look so good. Oh no.
Stop. Stop rồi.
Good spicy.
Perfect, huh?
And this is Thai spicy level what? Level red cheeks, burning cheeks.
It's not hot. ากทราบปะ I like the head and the tail. See how I hold like that? Perfect.
I think I'm missing some squid, some baby octopus. Like the pool noodles are the hardest for me to pick up. So, it's pretty spicy, but
you cannot stop.
no. So I was reading there's actually like a lot of benefits when it comes to fermented foods, like pa-dek. It helps the good bacteria break down any complex carbs. It helps you synthesize and make more vitamins. It's really good to have in your diet.
I know a lot of people like, oh, pa-dek, I don't want to eat, but they're good for you.
It is.
But you don't have to know how to cook it right. You know what I mean? And put in like, so that you boil them, cook, and then put in the refrigerator right away. And make sure the container is clean all the time, guys. Every month. Check your container, make sure it's clean. If they're not clean, boil them again and check that container. You know, and don't leave them outside. It's very important. And then, you know, why people think like, oh, I'm sick because I eat that pa-dek, right? If you don't keep it right, you got sick. Well, all kind of food, you know.
Fermented,
yeah.
I feel the sweat coming.
Yeah, you feel the heat now? That's right. You okay? You know, when they get hot, that sweet from coconut juice is help.
Fermented food
Yes.
also, or the spice also brings up your metabolism, helps you. Spicy food's good for you too. I love the freshness of the cucumber and tomato crunch when you
All the
a little bit of relief.
Oh, step line. When you guys have time, cook this, okay? It's something light. If you don't feel like, oh, I don't want to cook, but you can cow, huh? Head can see, ooh, sabai. You know, for nice dinner, right? It's perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
we really enjoy making these videos for you. Just make sure you show us how much you like our videos by liking, subscribing, sharing your videos, sharing the videos.
Right. Share the video with your friend, your neighbor, whoever wanna learn how to cook, you know, all kind of food that you can cook in the kitchen. And I will bring more stuff to you guys to cook with me, okay?
Yeah, let us know in the comments what we should cook next.
Yes, all the comment, guys. Give me some comment what you think, okay?
Bye, gone.
See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, gone.